Take a look at this one here at Unique, especially in classics. Local customer of ours came by, asked if we'd represent this car for him. We said sure. Nice low mile car with a great story to it. So here it is, 2004 Mini Cooper S, 3-door hatchback. Same family has owned this since new. Clean Carfax, no accidents, confirmed miles, just a little over 15,000 is all. I believe this is the electric blue metallic. Correct me if I'm wrong if you're seeing this on YouTube. Under the hood, 1.6 liter, inline 4, dual overhead cam, supercharged engine. And as far as the paint condition, it does have kind of the 3M protective coating on the front of it, so it's not full of chips or nicks. And again, with only 15,000 miles, it's what you'd expect. And of course, nicely equipped power steering, power brakes, AC, transmission, 6-speed manual. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures so you can see the underside, the engine bay, interior, still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. As far as I can tell by the equipment and the options on this car too, God, I think about every package you could order on it, with the sport package, premium package. I think there's a cold weather package, included the heated seats. Of course, you have the power sunroof up top. So nicely equipped car. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. One of the things too, let's see if I can show you. I'll show you towards the end. In the rear of it, there's boxes of some kind of mini memorabilia and the stuff that comes with it or is sent to you from Cooper when you bought one of the minis. And we'll kind of get around to that here in a second towards the end of the video. I'll start it up, let you hear it run, check out the engine bay, and then I'll show you what I'm talking about in the back. Door panels, two-tone seats, a charcoal gray and blue combination. All right. Let's fire this up so you can hear it run. All right. Here's your miles over here, 15,192. No warning indicators, anything like that on. Your tachometer's working. Got a little driver's information center down here. And it is the automatic climate control, which I believe was an option. AM, FM, CD player, of course. Power window switches, fog lights. And then down here, power mirrors and heated seats. It's at 6-speed. So the interior, nice shape. Again, what you'd expect with something with this kind of miles on it. All right, let's go ahead and slip to the rear of this car. So you can hear it run. Sounds like you'd expect. I haven't really noticed any major modifications on this thing. I'm going to slip over here. I want to let you know the hood release is actually on the passenger side, FYI. And it is right down here. So I'm going to pop that. I'm going to pause this a second. I'm going to get the hood open. I'm going to get that rear hatch open. Show you a couple more things. We'll wrap up this video.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
All right, so here's the engine bay. Underneath the hood, obviously extremely clean. It doesn't really look like this thing's been driven in inclement weather. Here's that inline 4, dual overhead cam, 1.6 liter supercharged. These things have to be a blast to drive. I just assume they handle extremely well. Sounds good, looks good underneath there. And I mentioned in this rear hatch, some of the kind of the paraphernalia that'll come with it. This is still in the box. It would have came in. And you guys that are into the Mini Coopers probably know more about this than I do. But another little box of goodies. Notice there was some highway bingo cards in here, interstate highway bingo cards, but something also I'm assuming that came to the Mini owners. That's here, the jack's back here. Little first aid kit. So just some extras that do go with it that will be included in the trunk of it. So there you go, 2004 Mini Cooper S, low miles, same family owned it since new, clean Carfax. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video, and the description is going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.